Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be drawing the 50th draw on the KOF event. Hoping that we can get a bingo. See the pattern. There's only one slot that is not gonna get a bingo. Hopefully we don't get that. Okay, let's go. Hope we can get a limited skin.
Sometimes you can tell a person is special the first time you meet them.
Wait lang. Hello guys, Mobile Legends bugged and it didn't show us that we got a bingo. But in our skin record, we got Layla Epic Skin Blazing Gun on 60th draw and we got Orochi's Dairot on the bingo. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.